Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to cover how to install TVS MSP 250 classic printer driver on your computer. I'm going to install this printer on my Windows 10 64-bit laptop. So please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require in order to install this printer on your computer. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After download the drivers, just right click on that and click on extract to. Basically we need to unzip this zip file. All the drivers are there. This is 32-bit and 64-bit. You choose according to your operating system version. Open 64-bit and you will require the INF driver, this one. Okay. This is the basic driver, so it won't be installed by double clicking on that. You will have to install it manually. I will show you how to install it manually. So please close this screen for now. Remember the location of this folder. Close it for now and click on start button and click on settings. After that, click on devices. Then click on printer and scanners from the left side pane and click on the plus icon, add a printer. And then click on the link, the printer that I want is not listed. Click on that. After that, choose the last option, add a local printer, and then click on next. Now it is asking to choose the printer port. So choose the printer port USB 001. If you are connecting your printer through the USB cable, then you will have to select this one, USB 001. If you are connecting through the pedal port, then you will have to select LPT1. So USB 1, I recommend this port, and then click on next. After that, it is asking for the drivers. You will have to click on have disk and click on browse and go to the location where you have unzipped the driver files. This one. Open 64-bit and click on that, tvse.inf, and click on open. Click on OK. You will get all the TVS drivers, so you will have to select here your one, 250 XL Classic, this one, and click on next. Click on next again. It is installing the drivers, so please wait. Choose the first option, do not share this printer, and then click on next. After that, click on finish. As you can see, the printer has been installed successfully. Check this one. So this is how you can install this TVS MSP 250 XL Classic printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.